Hi friends, so today in our C# tutorials, I'm going to show you the integer numeric types that are used in C#. So if you see here, the integer numeric types are, we have S byte, short, U short, int, U int, long, U long, N int, and NU int. So if you see here, this is a byte and this is S byte. So the difference between byte and S byte is like S byte is a signed byte and byte is no sign. So if you see the value, the range of values and the values for these two is, if you see S byte, signed byte, so it has a sign minus 128 minimum and maximum we can store 127. If you see the byte, it's 0 is the minimum and maximum is 255. Similarly, for short, we have 32,768 to 32,767. Since it is not mentioned anything short, so it says a negative number as well as positive number. And this is U short, means unsigned short. That means there is no sign here. So it will say only from 0 to 65,000 friends. And this is int type. So again, int type means it saves both negative and positive values, and this is the minimum and maximum number. And u int is unsigned int, that is again the values are from minimum 0 to this number. Similarly, we have a long, so this is how it value will be. And u long, again, this is how it long will be, its value will be. And n int and nu int, these are all again dependent on the platform. So I just wanted to just wanted to show you how this will be stored in the database, why it has 0, why byte has 0 to 255 only, why S byte has 128 to 127. So I will explain you in this video. So if you see the sizes for this S byte, it takes 8 bits, signed 8 bits. So there will be 1 bit for signed, and in the unsigned all bits are for the number, there is no sign, so all these 8 bits are used. Similarly, signed short, it has signed 16 bit, so there will be a bit for the positive number or negative number, and rest of the numbers are for the actual number. So today I just wanted to take one simple, let's say, byte, how this value will be 0 to 255, I will show you. So this is 8 bits, so 8 bits means 1 byte. So what I can do, I will take a paint here, MS Paint, and then I'll show you how that is. Let me take a paint here. So I'm taking a paint here, um, and I wanted to show you how this byte is 255, 0 to 255, friend. So the byte takes 8 bits. Since it takes 8 bits, I wanted to draw a table with 8 bits in it. So I will take a box, and I will divide this into 8 bits. So let me take a pencil. So if you see here, I will divide this into uh, uh, 8 bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there are 8 bits now. So for each bit, either we can store 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. So this is 0 location, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 3, 4, let me put numbers 5, 6, and 7. It starts from 0 and it goes till 7. Now, in this memory location, we can store either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. So, 1 means maximum, 0 means minimum. So, what I do, so minimum value, since this is 8 unsigned bits, I can store all zeros in these 8 bits. So that means the minimum value for this byte is this byte is 0. So it could be all zeros. If I place all zeros, that will be the minimum number. So every bit in this 8 bits goes 0. That is the minimum value. Since there is no sign in it, so this bit is also for the number. So the minimum number I can store is 0. So what is the maximum number? So the maximum number I can store in each bit is 1. So if we put all ones, and then we will see how we get the maximum number for 8 bit. So friends, this is 8 bits. So I took 8 bits 8 bit table, and I filled the maximum with 1. So 1 is the maximum, 0 is the minimum in binary. So I took all ones in 8 bits. So this is the maximum number we can store in a 8 bit in a binary number. So now if we convert this binary number into decimal, we will see what is the maximum number we will get. So if we how do we get this binary, how do we convert this binary to a decimal? Means we will take the value with 2 power 0 into 1, we multiply with this bit. Similarly, 2 power 1, and we multiply with this number. Similarly, we multiply 2 to the power of 2 with multiply, and then we take and continue. We will continue like that. So 2 cube into 1, okay, and 2 to the power of 4 into 1 plus this value. 2 to the power of 5 into 1 plus this value. 2 to the power of 6 into 1 plus this value. 2 to the power of 7 into 1 plus this value. So we will add all these values. We will add all these values, and we will see what is the maximum value we will get it. So this is how we do, friends. So let me write down all the place here. So I said 2 to the power of 1 into 1. So what is 2 to the power of 0 into 1 is how much? So we'll get 2 to the power of 1 is 2 to the power of 1 is 2 to the power of 0 is 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is again 1. So we take 1 for this value. So it will be 1 here, and then the same plus come here. Now we have 2 to the power of 1 into 1. So it will be 2 to the power of 1 into 1. That is how much we'll get? 2 to the power of 1. That is equal to 2 into 1. So the result is 2. So we take this 2 and put it here. For this value, there will be 2. So again, we put the plus here. So next we continue like that. 2 to the power of 2 into 1, 2 square, like 2 to the power of 2 into 1 is how much it would be? Like 4. 4 into 1. Again, it's a 4 into 1 is 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So for this value, we put 4. Similarly, we continue this writing like this. So we put plus, and then 2 to the power of 8 into 1 is 8. Then we take plus 2 to the power of 14, 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. And then we do plus, then 2 to the power of 5 is 32 into 1 is 32. 32 here. Again, we continue. 2 to the power of 6 into 1 is 64. Put here 64. And then 2 to the power of 7 is 128. So now if we combine all these values, I take a calculator and we will see what is the value for each number. So we take 1, we start from 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus, I'm coming from this side to this side, to my right hand to left hand. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 2 plus what is next 4 plus 8 plus 16, 16, sorry, 16 plus 32 plus 32 plus 64 plus 128. So this goes to 255. This is how it has 255 friends. Hope you understand. I will explain you once again. So a byte takes 8 bits. So 8 bits, the whole 8 bits are divided. Uh, e- 8 byte is the each byte is like this. So we put maximum is all ones, binary ones. Then if we convert this binary value with a decimal, we will get 255. This is why the byte maximum value for a byte is 255, and the minimum value is, it goes all zeros here, that will be 0. So the byte takes 0 to bytes range is 0 to 255. That's why we cannot say more than 255 in a byte. Similarly, we can calculate all these things by taking this example. So here it will be 8 bits. So the leftmost bit will be for sign. If we remove that leftmost bit, there will be only 7 bits for number. Put all 7 ones in that bits, then you can calculate how we calculated with the bytes. So this is an example of how we convert a byte into, sorry, the binary into a decimal, and these are all the C sharp, the C sharp integer numeric types. Friends, this is all about integer numeric types only in C sharp. In our next videos, we will see what is a floating point types, and other data types in C sharp. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel for latest videos. Thank you.